Within early years at Bryn Coch, we have roughly 70 children per year group. We aim to create an inspiring and nurturing environment that enables all children to become resilient, independent, healthy, lifelong learners, achieving their full potential in our happy, caring school. Our main focus in early years is personal, social and emotional development, in which we encourage social interaction with other children, sharing, playing with and alongside other children, with the main aim being creating independent children ready for full-time school. We use different teaching strategies to nurture, support and challenge them all. We strive to create happy, confident, independent pupils who absolutely love learning.
Many of the activities planned are done so from pupil voice, which reflects the children's interests, at the same time embracing the curriculum, with the four purposes being at the forefront of planning. Focus planning is planned as a team, which includes teachers and teaching assistants. Following observations from the previous weeks, we plan in the next steps for a range of abilities, making sure all children have the opportunities to succeed. In nursery, we plan for carpet time, small group work, focus activities and end of session carpet time on the one planning format, looking at a variety of skills. We're mindful that some children may be working towards or above the given skills, and we adapt and differentiate accordingly.
We plan separately for phonics, indoor and outdoor enhancements. These documents are used as working documents and are adapted through the week following observations and pupil voice.
Like nursery, in reception we plan as a team. At the start of a theme or topic, we pull together a wide range of directed activities and enhancements ideas, ensuring a wide coverage of skills.
Teachers take responsibility for carpet, focus activities and indoor enhancements, with support staff planning outdoor enhancements. Following carpet time sessions, staff get an indication of where pupils are at before taking part in the focus activity. This allows staff to adapt the activity to the individual child's ability. In nursery and reception, we are extremely fortunate to have two wonderful, spacious outdoor areas which we plan thoroughly for.
We have many different areas, including creative, construction, building, sand, water, role play and opportunities for physical development. Our outdoor provision works on a free flow basis, so they can access activities as and when they choose.
At the start of each week, adults lead the children round both indoor and outdoor areas to model each activity to ensure they understand the purpose of that activity.
Throughout the indoor and outdoor environments, we aim to provide a wide and varied range of experiences. We ensure this through thorough planning which follows the children's interests, as well as ensuring a wide range of skills are covered.
Access to a broad range of equipment and resources provides our children with opportunities for imaginative, creative and physical play, allowing them to explore, solve problems and take managed risks.
Our children are good at celebrating each other and accepting everyone for who they are. They show an inquisitive nature towards one another and their environment.
One of the main roles of our adults when supporting and observing children is to provide a communication-rich environment. They are encouraged to question and we promote independent problem solving in a sensitive manner.
Having adults working alongside the children gives them reassurance and confidence to make mistakes they can learn from and take risks, which in turn builds resilience within our children. Adults are on hand to encourage teamwork and to model how to incorporate the ideas of others.
Adults are on hand to enhance during each session depending on the children's interests and needs, even if this means going off plan.
Through our community week, we make links with the local businesses and services. For example, we took the children on a walk around Mould and then to buy their own special treat at a local supermarket. This linked into our topic of money in maths. In class, the children had been learning about what different coins look like, their values and how to make different amounts. They then put their learning into a real life situation of using money to pay for their ice lollies.
We were also very fortunate to have the local mould fire service visit us during the week, giving every child the opportunity to experience using the hose. The children discussed at the start of Community Week about people who help us, and the children shown the greatest interest in the fire service. On listening to pupil voice, we invited them into school. These experiences are invaluable to our children, and many wouldn't have these opportunities outside of school.
With our curriculum and planning, we create a variety of exciting and engaging experiences for our children, whether that be setting up the Three Bears cottage, which had been destroyed by Goldilocks to promote inquisitive skills, or making their own sandwiches in preparation for their Jubilee party, promoting cookery skills and table manners.
Where possible, we try to give our children opportunities which they would not all experience outside of school. For example, mark making on a really large scale to develop gross motor skills, and also planting their own sunflower seeds independently for them to take home to care for and watch them grow. The children enjoy sharing pictures of their sunflowers growing on seesaw and have gained the skill of caring and having the responsibility for a living thing.
This is only a snapshot of how we enable learning at Bryn Coch, with the four purposes being key to starting our children on their learning journey.